Well, I've begun work on the Graveley. I took the gas tank off today. It had a couple straps holding on. And I filled a bucket full of water. And put the gas tank in it. And I got one electrode. And it's called a sacrificial piece of iron or electrode. And I guess you put baking soda in this water, and then you hook your positive terminal to your sacrificial metal like this, and then this other one I'm going to have to get more extension cord here going. I'm pretty unprepared for this video. I think I'll make another one.